Welcome to E-Town News, जहां आपको मिलेगा डेली डोज ऑफ बॉलीवुड न्यूज, फैशन ट्रेंड्स, टीवी एंड सोशल मीडिया से जुड़े हर अपडेट. A show which gives you the day's lowdown of all the best happenings in the world of glamour. तो इंतजार किस बात का? Let's take a look at today's headlines. वरुण धवन रिपोर्टेडली करना चाहते हैं नताशा के साथ अपनी वेडिंग को पोस्टपोन. बॉक्स ऑफिस क्लैशेस बन गए रणबीर कपूर के लिए बड़ी मुसीबत. नोटबुक की स्टारकास्ट ने किया जूम के साथ एक्सक्लूसिवली इंटरैक्ट. नताशा दलाल के साथ वरुण धवन इस साल नहीं करेंगे शादी. वरुण ने नताशा के साथ वेडिंग को किया पुश. आखिर किस वजह से वरुण ने लिया इतना बड़ा फैसला? वरुण धवन चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड नताशा दलाल के साथ अपने अलेज्ड रिलेशनशिप की वजह से रहते हैं अक्सर सुर्खियों में. ये दोनों अपने रिलेशनशिप को छुपाने की जरा भी कोशिश नहीं करते और अक्सर साथ में किए जाते हैं स्पॉट. यहाँ तक कि वरुण और नताशा के इस साल शादी करने की न्यूज भी सामने आई थी. लेकिन अब हमारे सोर्सेज की माने तो वरुण ने नताशा के साथ अपनी शादी को नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए पुश कर दिया है. अपेरेंटली वरुण अपने डैड डेविड धवन की अपकमिंग फिल्म की शूटिंग पहले खत्म कर लेना चाहते हैं. Sources added that he has also signed his next with Dharma Productions, which is slated to start by year end. फिलहाल वरुण मोस्ट अवेटेड फिल्म कलंक के प्रमोशंस में भी बिजी होने वाले हैं. लगता है कि वरुण की प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट्स की वजह से उन्हें अपनी शादी को नेक्स्ट ईयर तक टालना पड़ गया है. For Sandesh Agte, Zoom, Mumbai. Bollywood stars recently made an appearance at the esteemed Hello Hall of Fame Awards. यहाँ रेड कार्पेट पर दिखाई दिए रणवीर सिंह, कटरीना कैफ, सोनम कपूर, विकी कौशल, आयुष्मान खुराना and जानवी कपूर amongst other celebs. During an exclusive interaction with us at the event, फरहान अख्तर ने हमें बताया कैसे वो इन दिनों लगे हुए हैं अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म तूफान के प्रेपरेशंस में.
Well, no, I mean, prep is just about starting now. We're going to start filming in August. That's really all I can say.
इसके अलावा एक्ट्रेस रकुलप्रीत सिंह ने हमें बताया कैसे 2019 उनके लिए होने वाला है क्रूशियल ईयर with 2 back-to-back releases.
I think this is the year will see me in 2 films, absolutely contrast roles. De De Pyar De is a modern girl, Marjava is a full dialogue bazi like Desi. So I'm very excited and I'm hoping that people also like it.
फातिमा सना शेख ने recently attend किया सिटी में एक स्टोर लॉन्च इवेंट. इस इनॉग्रेशन इवेंट पर पहुंचकर फातिमा ने अपने 2 अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बात किया अलोंगसाइड राजकुमार एंड सैफ.
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से अनुराग बासु सर के साथ काम करना चाहती थी और उन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया और बहुत मज़ा आया. वो एक जीनियस है, ही इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. और राजकुमार भी है, मुझे उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. इतने अच्छे एक्टर हैं, सो अच्छा लगा. अच्छे काम मिल रहे हैं. और नेक्स्ट इज़ हॉरर कॉमेडी विद सैफ अली खान. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. मुझे लगता है कि हॉरर कॉमेडी एक नया जॉनर है जिसमें देखने में भी मज़ा आता है एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
जल्द ही पीरियड वॉर फिल्म पानीपत में नजर आने वाले अर्जुन कपूर रिसेंटली नजर आए ऑन अ डिनर आउटिंग विद हिज फ्रेंड्स. आलिया भट्ट ने लास्ट वीक सेलिब्रेट किया था अपना 25th बर्थडे and the actress got a sweet midnight surprise from Ranbir and her other friends. लेकिन इसके अलावा आलिया ने कुछ समय निकाल कर मीडिया के साथ भी किया अपने स्पेशल डे को सेलिब्रेट. Here are a few glimpses. ब्रह्मास्त्र कपल रणबीर और आलिया का अब हो सकता है बॉक्स ऑफिस पर आमना सामना. While Ranbir these days is busy shooting for Shamshera, Alia Bhatt ने recently announced किया डायरेक्टर S.S. Rajamouli के साथ अपनी आने वाली magnum opus RRR. It has been earlier announced that Shamshera 2020 के ईद के अराउंड रिलीज होने वाली है और RRR के मेकर्स ने ऑलरेडी अपना रिलीज डेट कंफर्म कर दिया है as July 30th. This seems a tight situation for both films as Eid next year tentatively July 30th या 31st को ही होने वाली है. Going by S.S. Rajamouli's box office record, since his last two Bahubali releases, the director is known to smash all records, and considering that RRR भी expectedly Bahubali जैसी multilingual film होने वाली है, it shall have a larger audience appeal all throughout the country. So clearly, the clash has got the makers of Shamshera way more worried. जहां बॉलीवुड में आर्च राइवल्स और कंटेम्पररीज के बीच क्लैशेस हमेशा से इनएविटेबल रहे हैं, वहीं दिस हैज टू बी वन ऑफ द रेयर फ्यू टाइम्स व्हेन टू लवबर्ड्स आर लॉकिंग हॉर्न्स एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस. लेकिन कहानी अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है. To make the situation even more complicated than it already is, रोहित शेट्टी की अक्षय कुमार स्टारर ने ऑलरेडी अपना रिलीज डेट लॉक कर लिया है on Eid 2020, and the announcement was made just a few days ago. With the surprise announcement of Rajamouli's RRR, a lot of plans have been evidently affected. Current situation को ध्यान में रखते हुए, it won't come as a surprise if the makers of Shamshera and Suryavanshi decide to postpone their releases. करण जौहर बाहुबली के बाद से S.S. Rajamouli के साथ भी good terms में रहे हैं, so it would be an amicable move if Karan plans to postpone their release. While Ranbir on the other hand already face कर रहे हैं the nightmare of all clashes as his much ambitious Brahmastra already faces the threat of clashing with Salman Khan starrer Dabangg 3. Both the films are expected to release this Christmas, and now with RRR releasing near Shamshera has only added to the talented actors' woes. Let's hope the situation gets better for all the films once their makers decide to shift releases accordingly. फिल्म नोटबुक से डेब्यू कर रहे जहीर इकबाल और प्रणूतन बैल आजकल फिल्म के प्रमोशंस में लगे हुए हैं. इस मौके पर दोनों ने जूम से एक्सक्लूसिव बात करते हुए ये खुलासा किया कि वो दोनों कितने लकी हैं कि उन्हें नोटबुक जैसी फिल्म में काम करने का मौका मिला.
I'm just very, very grateful for being here, being able to do all this and feel these emotions.
Right, Pranuthan, what's going on?
Yeah, it's the same. Very, very nervous, obviously. It's the first time ever, and it's something you've wanted all your life.
Right.
And for it to culminate so beautifully in the form of, you know, the mentors that we do have, Nitin sir and Salman sir, plus our families who are so supportive and warm. So it just, I don't know, yeah, we're just very, very blessed. Really, we are. And we're feeling it even more so now. Yeah, that's what. We're talking about it so much and we're being asked, and now it's like, it's really highlighted in our minds that how lucky we really are.
जहीर और प्रणूतन ने सलमान खान के साथ बिताए अपनी मेमोरीज को भी किया शेयर.
I have a few fond memories of him as a child. We didn't really meet that much. It was not that we hung out. My father and him hung out every single day or something like that.
Right.
But once every 2-3 months, 4 months, we would get to know that he's shooting in Mehboob studio, and Dad would be like, let's go say hi. Yeah. So I would accompany him that, oh, you're going to meet Salman Khan, I'm going to come. Please, can I come? And he would take me with him, and I'd be a silent spectator sitting there and being like, wow, Salman Khan. A couple of times when my cousins and all, there was one cousin who got burnt while burning crackers. And the only way she would keep quiet is if we took her to meet Salman Bhai.
There's one incident which is very dear to me, that it is basically when they were shooting at Kamalistan, and it was for, I don't remember which film, but I had this favorite cap of mine. It was a red and yellow colored Tweety cap.
Okay.
And I lost it because I was Tweety. Tweety. And I was cycling in Kamalistan. That's where I also learned how to cycle.
Okay.
So I was cycling there and I lost the cap. It was such a big studio and stuff like that. I must have left it somewhere. And I couldn't find it, and I was crying and crying and crying. And he saw me and he said, what happened? So I said, no, I lost my cap and all that, you know, like tears rolling down my cheeks and everything. And he's like, oh, okay. And he went and he gave a shot. And then about an hour later, I saw the same cap, the exact ditto same cap in front of me. So he sent his spot boy somewhere.
To get a cap.
Yeah, like, and the studio is very far from, you know, and that time, I mean, the facilities were even further, you know.
Right.
So, yeah. So, since then till now, he's my favorite.
वहीं प्रणूतन और जहीर ने एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने के एक्सपीरियंस को भी शेयर किया.
Sure, it was. I wouldn't know because I haven't worked with any other actor except him. But I'm sure it was because there was a sense of empathy, in both of us. We both knew exactly what it meant, like to go for our first dub. We were both as excited about it. We were both taking each other's pictures. Oh, you're dubbing for the first time.
We celebrate our first fan club. We celebrate our first verification.
Lot of
We
firsts.
celebrate every single first. We have a lot of firsts going on. Like on a daily basis, we have 10 different firsts happening.
Yeah, and it's...
Yeah, this is our first with Zoom TV, so another first we're going to celebrate tonight.
But I'm sure it's lovely and it's nicer because we knew exactly what the other is feeling, right? So I'm sure if I was working with an actor who's seasoned, I wouldn't have the comfort to go and tell him that, this is my first dub, I'm so excited. He'd be like, okay. But Zahir was even more
I think
excited.
that's the reason we get along also so well, because in life we're on the same page. You know, in our notebook of our life, we're on the same page.
जहीर और प्रनूतन ने अपने फेवरेट सेट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स और एक्टर्स के नाम का भी खुलासा किया।
I would obviously love to work with Zoya Akhtar. So many,
Yeah, I was
Kabir
just
Khan. I can't decide
Even I.
decide. There are so many.
Okay, so Zoya Akhtar and Kabir Khan.
Yeah,
Keep
yeah.
it that. Pranuthan, yours.
There are lots, but Sanjay sir, for sure.
Sanjay Leela Bansal.
Zoya Akhtar, Ayan Mukherjee. These are the
Yeah, Ayan Mukherjee from
three
yours.
directors I am
Ayan Mukherjee from
absolutely
yours, yeah.
mad about.
Well, Zahir and Pranutan, all the best for your debut film. For Sandesh Agte, Zoom, Mumbai. मल्टी-स्टारर पीरियड फिल्म कलंक का पहला टीजर हुआ लास्ट वीक शेयर। एंड फिल्म्स लीडिंग लेडी आलिया भट्ट ने सोशल मीडिया पर फिल्म के पहले सॉन्ग का टीजर और स्टिल किया शेयर। टाइटल्ड घर मोरे परदेसिया from the movie Kalank, the picture shows Alia dressed in an ethereal white lehenga surrounded by yellow curtains. निक जोनस ने अपने ब्रदर्स के साथ सालों बाद कोलैबोरेट करते हुए रिलीज किया लेटेस्ट सिंगल Sucker. The song has already topped the Billboard charts, bagging the #1 spot. और निक को अपने इस accomplishment के लिए मिला उनके better half प्रियंका की तरफ से ये स्पेशल अप्रिसिएशन पोस्ट। Malaika sure knows how to stay in her best shape, and the credit for it goes to Malaika's rigorous workout sessions. Malaika shared a glimpse of her workout on her social media. Sonam Kapoor ने recently attend किया Hello Hall of Fame Awards, and इस red carpet event से सोनम ने cousin जानवी के साथ की ये फोटो शेयर। Arjun Rampal recently turned DJ for an event in Jaipur, and the handsome hunk shared a picture from the musical night. Sunny Leone brought her crazy side out with this recent video. Seen with her friends and team here, Sunny इस वीडियो में अपनी टीम के साथ कुछ crazy dance moves करती दिखाई दे रही हैं।
एक लत ऐ रखनी ऐ अगली लत रखनी ऐ हाथ रखना ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਹਲਕਾ ਲਗਾ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੁੱਤਰ
Hi, this is Sukriti from Sukriti and Akriti. You're watching What's Hot, What's Not. Definitely, and especially Ivory. I love Ivory, and today our entire collections in Ivory, besides the showstopper, and like you would see, Akriti and me, we're also in white. So definitely the brand is an extension. Cotton is definitely my favorite fabric. I mean, I think there's richness and maybe rusticness, if that's even a word. I don't think really. I mean, I think we come, India as a country, it's great, in the sense, you will see somebody in a pair of jeans or a crop top walking beside somebody who's wearing a salwar kameez or a sari, and it's amazing fusion, which you don't see in a lot of places in the world. And India has that, so I don't think Indian women go wrong in, I mean, I think Indians do Indian better, also obviously because in terms of jeans or western wear, it doesn't come to Indians as naturally. I mean, today the world's getting a smaller place, and by default, I think jeans is a pair of clothing that everyone wears. It's comfortable and utility-wise and trend-wise. So the world's definitely becoming a smaller place. So the fashions are seeping into India, and now when you travel the world, you realize that Indians are not far behind. You know, I mean, they're equally fashionable. You'll see somebody wear the same thing in Delhi or Bombay, and you can spot it on the streets of New York. Especially with online shopping becoming very popular, I think everything's available everywhere now. So, I mean, I think shararas and gararas are here to stick. They're definitely a better option than lehengas. They're a lot more comfortable. They still have the same flair, and that will definitely stay throughout the year. I think also anarkalis will be coming back. We had a little bit of a span when shararas had become big. I mean, anarkali never really goes out of fashion, but you'll see a comeback for it in anarkalis for sure. Also, like, I think what was popular in the 90s, you might see that again on the ramp, like fitted kurtis with churidars. Since last year didn't see so much of churidars because palazzos and wide leg pants or shararas, like looser bottoms had become more popular, but this year I think you'll see Indian fashion going back to tighter bottoms.
Coming up on the show, Hina Khan कौन से चैलेंज में हुई फेल? टीवी स्टार हिना खान हो गई हैं किचन चैलेंज में फेल। जी हाँ, अर्जुन बिजलानी के शो किचन चैलेंज में हिना गई थी अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड प्रियांक और बॉयफ्रेंड रॉकी के साथ, जहां उन्हें दिया गया रोटी बनाने का चैलेंज जो वो पूरा नहीं कर पाई और हो गई फेल इस चैलेंज में। मूविंग ऑन, टीवी की हॉट हसीनाओं के बोल्ड अवतार सोशल मीडिया पर खलबली मचाते हैं, जहां एक तरफ हॉट एंड सेक्सी निया शर्मा ने अपने हॉट अवतार को शेयर कर फैंस को एक बार फिर हैरान कर दिया है, तो वहीं शमा सिकंदर भी उन्हें अपने हॉट अवतार से टफ कंपटीशन देती नजर आ रही हैं। ऐसे में मोनी रॉय कहां पीछे रहने वाली हैं? मोनी ने सेक्सी अवतार शेयर कर सनसनी मचा दी है। मोनी के हॉट एंड बोल्ड अवतार को फैंस बेहद पसंद कर रहे हैं।
Live on Times Fresh Face Season 11 powered by Setwet. मेरा नाम है अनीशा दीक्षित aka रिक्शा वाली। पहुंच गए हम यहाँ पे। My God, जमा तो इतनी ज्यादा क्राउड है। My God, so many people. एट द फ्रेश जोन, तो चलिए मिलते हैं कुछ कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ, ठीक है? व्हाट्स योर फ्रेश फैक्टर?
Being the odd one out style.
Charm and confidence.
अच्छा, charming.
I think my fresh factor is my intelligence.
You could be one person for one day. Who would that person be?
I'd probably be Gigi Hadid because she has the perfect life. I'd be Beyonce.
Beyonce. Oh.
I would want to be Justin Trudeau, Canada's Prime Minister.
Let's start the show right now. And boom.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we bring to you our 24 finalists for the very first time. The Live on Times Fresh Face Season 11 powered by Setwet. Please welcome FBB Colors Femina Miss India World 2018, Anukriti Vaz. Please welcome FBB Colors Femina Miss India United Continents 2018, Gayatri Bharadwaj. Time for us to get to know our contestants in person, starting with contestant number 1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Janvi Goyal. My dream is coming true this evening, and I am the Live On Miss Fab Wildcard. This is Anushka Jilin.
Namaste Mumbai. My name is Siddharth Dhyani and I'm the set wet Mr. Popular wildcard entry from Delhi.
Begin the second round this evening for the talent round. It's going to be extremely unique.
What the hell? DJ, stop it! My hands hurt! What the hell are you doing?
Tune in tomorrow to find out who bags the title of Live On Times Fresh Face Season 11, powered by Setwet.